Welcome to Extra Time Unlocked. Namhlanje ke we building up to ama World Championship njengoba wazike la KZN kuthi priority enkulu yethu la KZN is to upusha abantu abasirepresentayo nabantu nje abakwazi ukuthi ke benze kahle. Namhlanje ku Extra Time Unlocked nginilethela usisi Lindiwe. Isabella ngazi ukuthi liphika lisebenzisayo umacingwane umchuno. Nyanda yemkhonto sikubingelele ku Extra Time Unlocked.
Extra Time Unlocked. Good morning, Sanibona family.
Kunjani?
Impilo khona, I can't complain. Ngiyaphila.
Awuthatha umuntu osekhaya who's watching, who's listening to this interview ukuthi kahle kahle profession yakho entaila in.
Isabel ziningi izinto azenzayo when it comes to sport.
Yeah.
She is a phenomenal sportwoman. Abantu abaningi, they would know me in football as an assistant referee. They would know me in bodybuilding, in powerlifting and strongman. Umuntu wesports. If ukhuluma ngo-Isabel, you know there is a sport involved.
Yeah. Asiqale nge-strong woman.
Okay. Strong woman, competition in Galela, let's speak about this year or the whole.
Your whole career.
Hey, Baba, I'm going to take
Qaleni.
you back then.
Yeah.
Let's talk about 2025.
2025 it is.
Strong woman, we had a competition here provincially, KZN. I competed.
Yeah.
First place, done. It's in the bag. And then we went for strongman South Africa. Competed, done. It's in the bag. Angwazangu usingiye ku strongman Africa because being preparela ama SA champs were fitness challenge. I had to decide whether I'm going for strong woman or I'm going for fitness challenge. I then said no. Fitness challenge. I want to go for it. Le okuyimanje engithathi ngise Spain.
Okay. Asikhulume ngale trip yase Spain.
All right.
Ngiyazi ukuthi iyona excite kakhulu. Ose abantu abaningi abayibhekile nakhona. Uqualify kanjani ukuthi ukwazi uyosirepresenta khona?
Okay, for the very first time, a KZN kuba khona a female person, a black female person to win from provincially,
Yeah.
KZN, and win nationally and go abroad internationally to represent South Africa.
Yeah.
Iqale this year is I was doing my 2025 year resolutions when it's come to sport. I counted in a fitness challenge. I said, you know what? This is one thing that I'm going to do this year. I looked at the calendar, dates were too far. As dates into Uzhandela Ziza, I started training, preparing myself, not myself only, but also I'm a student at the University of Zululand. That's my team. So I go my KZN provincially, team selection. I'm feeling in the one feeling away. So I go my SA, I'm a SA, yasuke sehlanganisa onke ama province akhona lana. So ngase ngithi ngoba si hostile KZN, akwazi phela ukungishaya ekhaya. It has to stay at home. I have to win. I then won ama SA champs. So now I'm off to represent the whole South Africa to the World IFBB Fitness Challenge.
You spoke about some challenges akhona. Now you're representing South Africa internationally, but what are some of our challenges enhlangana na? For example, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ohlangothini labantu besifazane kwesinye isikhathi thina asivamisile ukuthi we pay much attention to it. But imapha ama challenges enhlangana nawo, especially when uhlangabezene nawo while preparing for such events.
Let me shoot straight to financially, of which is the major elephant in the house. Financially, if you are not sponsored or if you don't have money, it's a big challenge because all logistics, they involve money.
Yeah.
Starting from booking your flights, you need money for that. You need money for your visa. You need money for your registration, for your anti-doping registration. We need money. That's the problem. We're trying by all means to look for our sponsors, but things are not really getting together. But we're trying. Challenge and coolest beginning now is that. Even when you go out, you tell people, I'm doing fitness challenge. What sport is that? What is that? You start to explain about our understanding. It's more like when there is I understand that because it's not football, it's not netball, it's not athletics. It's one of the rare sports. Yeah, but we have to break it down. Okay, if fitness challenge is one of my second stations out 6, you go for gold, there is silver, there is bronze. You have to explain what is that and how do you win. Go on.
Yeah. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi it requires fitness yangempela nakhona. And you can tell by your physique ukuthi kukuthathe isikhathi esingakanani to build lokho sesikubona manje.
Yeah. ijeni ende lena. You don't sleep, you wake up usuyichaya mfo. Uqinisile kudinga ukuthi ujime.
Yeah.
Kudinga ukuthi ujime. Let me just break this to you. Or now kubantu mhlambe abalalele. When you talk about e-fitness challenge, ngizoya kuma categories that I'm doing. I'm doing a couple category silver ne gold. Let's go for silver qala. Silver kunama circuit stations awu 6. Each exercise you will perform it in 2 minutes. You hear me? Yes, 2 minutes. You win with a number of repetitions. Which means in manu 10 line you are given 2 minutes for ama devil press, ama lunges, ama sit-ups, ama pull-ups. Each and every station you do 2 minutes. You are very much allowed to rest. But you find win with more reps. That means melu gym, melu ube strong. Yabo.
Thatha isikhathi to prepare such nakhona. And tell us that the reason why we are here noma ngikhuluma nawe, it's because of what I saw and what you proposed. And mangibuka ipost yakho insuku ziyazancipha. Take us through. Siyaphi ke kulokho?
Hey, bafowethu. The journey continues. Spain preparations underway.
Yeah.
We're off to Spain, Barcelona. Siyahamba next week in 11. We're leaving South Africa. Landing in 12 Spain to the World's IFBB Fitness Challenge Championships 2025.
Banganani ama chances of you ukuthi ubuye ne gold medal?
Don't even ask me. Yelalela. Guys, angifuna ungasho. Let me just say this now. I even said that yesterday when I walked in. What, guys? I just scanned my athletes. I'm so done.
Yeah.
I got my gold already. I can tell you now, I will come back as a world champ there.
What would you say to them, advise yakho nokuthi mawufuna ukuqala i-career out of this, yini izinto okumele ube nazo nezokusiza ekutheni ufike la usukhona wena?
Sikhuluma ngomuntu osemakhaya ngoba nami ngumuntu odabuka emakhaya. Ayikho into enza kalula mawuhleli emakhaya. Ulwazi alwezi kalula. Kodwa ake ngithi manje uma ngabe uyazi kunomnyango obizwa ngo-Sport and Recreation, i-Department of Sport and Recreation.
Yeah.
Abazama ukuthi bayixhumanise nabo sport officers. Yabo, babuze ngama sport code ukuthi okay, ngifisa ukwenza umdlalo kanje, ngingalekeleleka kanjani. Mhlambe nawo sport office, not ukuthi mhlambe most ama sport officers awazi ukuthi kwenzakala nemhlabeni wesport, are they being employed, but abazi kwenzakala nabanye. Abayihluphe nabo ngokuthi bangene ku-internet babheke ama-calendar wama-sport code, angene ku-YouTube awabuka ukuthi kwenzakalani mawukhuluma ngale sport code lesi, i-calendar enye inini. Abayihluphe yonke into oyifunayo uba nama-phone, banama-smartphone, abawasebenzise smart now. Bavakashela ugogo, babuka ama-video, bahluphe nabantu beminyango ehlukahlukene. Nothisha ey'kolweni bakhona. Department yey'kolo iyasiza kakhulu. Abayihluphe basho ukuthi okay, ngifuna ukwenza i-rugby, ngifuna ukwenza speed fitness challenge, ngifuna ukwenza lokhu nalokhu, sikwenza kanjani. Mhlambe into futhi engaba i-challenge ngaba i-equipment.
Yeah.
Abafuna uku-improvise. Akuyona yonke into ozoyenza nge-equipment onayo or ekwi-international standard or kwi-national standard. Wherever you are, you can use whatever you have. Improvise. Funa ube creative ma umuntu wesport. Yabo.
Yeah. Is it the main objectives njoba siya eSpain for you just to receive gold, or is there any ambitions and objectives ngaphezu kwalokho?
It's more than that.
Yini ofuna ukuyi-achieve njengoba seSpain?
I want to be the first black female going to Olympics with their sport code. There's never been any. I want to be the first. In intention, I'm the main goal by 2028, be the first to get there. For me, this is the base foundation. This is my stepping watata to get there. Build up internationally, getting to compete with athletes from different worlds. Yabo.
So for us as a Gagasi, we support you and the best of luck with Spain. Ungasikhohlwa mesofikile.
Gagasi FM family. Ngicela ungidlulise ukubonga. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ithuba eninginikeze lona. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ninginikele indawo le. Ngikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume nani. Ngizokwenza njalo. Ikhona i-link engizokusendela yona. Uma abantu befisa ukuthi basibuke mase sikhompyutha khona eSpain, they can simply click bangene kwi-link leyo. Babuye competition iqala ize iphele. Ngizoyishare nayo.
Iqala nini competition phela nini?
Registration is on the 13th. Immediately nge-13 izakhala, but I am not competing nge-13. I-category yaka bronze. Nge-14 i-category yaka silver. Ngicompete mina nge-15, 16,
for gold.
17 ama-results bese ngiyabuya ekhaya nge-18.
uLinda uthe uzobuya ulindiwe uIsabella Mchunu
Indodakazi kaBothabo.
indodakazi kaButhabo building up to eBarcelona uzosimela for a fitness challenge. Go to Agagasi FM app, download yona ke i-app and also download le podcast ulalele yona mase ke uthathe isikhathi sakho ngebreak emsebenzini or ngesikhathi ozenzayo, but akusiko kona lokho kuphela, and also khona kwiGagasi FM app ungasitholela the latest update including ama podcast ethu. This is Extra Time Unlogged.